this should be the thumbnail. Jesus, bro. Thumbnail all day, guy. Oh yeah, we on. Welcome back, my people. So yo, we at East Hartford, Nardelli'S. I'm hoping I'm spelling that right?
Yeah.
So we about to go up in there. We about to order. Do you know what you want? All right, bye. So we gonna just reveal it when we come back and everything else and shit. Cause I've been knowing what I want. I've been trying to plan this trip for a minute. So we about to go up in here, order, come out, and we're gonna talk about it. Jump cut. So we peep, yo. We out here. Look at it right there, cuz. Oh, and it's looking nice in there, my people. Yo, this shit been established in 1922. Yo, I'm old, but I ain't that goddamn old.
You sure about that?
Bro, ready? Let's see what it do, people. What is this? Is this supposed to be like a, oh, it is Halloween though. All right, we'll be back, my people. Jump cut. Look at this, my people. Ooh, they have their own marinara sauce too. Look at this, sir. Alright, let's see what it'll do. What you want to do with that, huh? Okay, we're going to sit in here and eat and do the food here. Jump out. Basically got the same sandwich. Look at that. Look at that, bro. It's gonna be a big one, bro. It's mine, right? That's yours. So, alright, we're gonna set it up like this. Let me get the thumbnail. Boom, thumbnail.
How do I know it's going to good?
It's the same thing, right? I think this should be the thumbnail. Jesus, bro. Thumbnail all day, guy.
Alright, I'm ready. Cheers, cheers.
Boom. Bread is nice. Hold on, mail all up and roll over people. No napkins in there? No napkins in there?
Right there.
Grab those. It's on the elevator. The sandwich stays intact. $36. Where's the cheese? Okay. Oh, where's the cheese at? I mean, what you give it?
7.2.
No, 7. 7.5. I'm not gonna be to have it later. Probably the hell out of it. But yo, that's the review. Nardelli'S in East Hartford. I'll put the actual address somewhere around here. I'll be right here. Okay.
Until next time, stay tuned and carry on, everybody.